Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will learn about quadratic inequalities. Let's start this video with a question. Find the set of values for x which satisfy this inequality. So what's special about this inequality is that this inequality contains a quadratic function. In order to solve this one, we need to convert this inequality into a quadratic inequality. How can we do this? We will move everything to left side. So the 3x move to other side as minus 3x. This minus 2 move to other side as plus 2. So what is left on the right side? 0. But other side you will have 2x squared minus 3 greater than 0. So this is a quadratic function, and this quadratic function is actually looks like this. And if you draw the x-axis, so it will be something like this. This is the x-axis, and you can see for some x values, for example these x values, this quadratic function is positive, and for these x-axis as well the quadratic function is positive, but these x values quadratic value is negative. So the question is, they want you to find the set of x where this quadratic function is above 0. Right, so basically what we need to find is we need to find this region and this region. So in order to find this region, basically we need to find these points. If you remember quadratics and cubics topics, these are the roots of this quadratic function. We might be able to factorize this one. Let's see if we could able to factor. So it would be 2x x, and if you factorize this equation, you will have these two factors. These factors mean x equal 3/2 and x equal -1. So this point is -1 and this point is 3/2, right? So if x is less than -1, or if x is greater than 3/2, will satisfy this inequality. So how can you write as an answer? Curly bracket, you say x is such that x is less than -1 or x is greater than 3/2. And this is the answer to this question. Let's look at another question. Find the set of values for x which satisfy this inequality and this inequality. So there are two inequalities, and they want you to find the x which satisfy both of them. So let's work out the set of x which satisfy the first inequality. If you move the x to the one side, it will become 5x minus 4x greater than the 10 minus 10 become 10 minus 7. So x is greater than 3. For the first inequality, x should be greater than 3. Let's see what about the other one. The 2x squared minus 11x plus 5 less than 0. So again, this is going to be a shape something like this, and they are looking for x which satisfy this inequality, which means the quadratic should be negative. So the x values which satisfy the negative answers are this one. So we need to find these 2 points, and any x between these two will satisfy this quadratic inequality. So let's see if you could able to factorize this one. 2x x, so it looks like -5 -1 will satisfy this answer. Therefore this is give you x is half, this is x is 5, so this is half, this is 5. So the answer that satisfies the second inequality is x is less than 5, x greater than half. So if I draw an x-axis, for the first one, all the x greater than 3, all the x greater than 3 satisfy the first inequality. For the second one, let me use a different color. Second one, anything between 5 and half satisfy the second inequality. So which set of x satisfy both the inequalities, that is between these two, x less than 5 greater than 3. So the answer to this question is curly bracket x such that x is less than 5 greater than 3. Thank you so much for watching this video. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.